Hello all, my name is Piyush and I got a GATE rank of 998 this year. So I would like to share my preparation journey with you. So since I was in second year, I used to watch GATE Academy's YouTube channel lectures of network theory, signals and systems, right? Control systems, digital electronics. Okay, so it was in my final year when I finally decided to take up GATE Academy's full VOD course and start my preparation. So I started with network theory, then I did signals and systems, then I did control systems, then digital electronics. So in my first year of preparation, I managed to do only these subjects, right? And with these subjects only, I somehow managed to qualify. Okay, so see, I would not suggest the same with you. I would suggest that you must do as much of subjects as possible with proper revision. Okay, so for anyone who is new to preparation and aspire and is aspiring for GATE 2027, I would recommend that you should start. You should not study subjects in random manner, right? You should. It is important that you first do network theory, then you move to signals and systems or digital, whatever you wish. Then you should move to after signals and systems only. Immediately after signals and systems, you must do control systems, right? See, these two subjects are very connected. Okay, so uh, from signals and systems, you need certain tools to understand and have a thorough understanding of control systems. Tools like Laplace transform, Fourier transform. People say that Fourier transform is not needed, that much needed, but yes, it is needed. Okay, so if you know Fourier transform, then you will understand the topics in control systems like polar plot, Nyquist plot in a better way. Okay, you will if you don't know Fourier transform now, you will have to memorize certain things in control systems. But if you know Fourier transform, you will have gained confidence in in finding magnitude of a transfer function, phase of a transfer function. You will feel more confident when compared to other students. Okay, so yes, and then subjects like you should do communication, EMFT, EDC only after you have completed these basic subjects, in my opinion. Okay, so first layer should be these subjects, these easy subjects. Okay, these simple subjects like network theory, digital electronics, signals and systems, control systems. Then you should go to level 2 subjects, right? Which are your core. That is EMFT, EMFT, EDC, and communication systems. Okay, and one more thing that I would like to tell is in digital electronics, there are certain uh, points where an aspirant feels very like demotivated. Topics like look ahead, carry header, delay related questions, right? So I would like to tell you that these things will not happen. You will not feel demotivated, and you will complete digital electronics in a very interesting manner if you study from Sujay Jasuja sir, right? So I have studied from digital from many teachers, right? And today I am saying that Sujay Jasuja sir is best in digital. End of discussion. Okay, so yes, and also I would like to highlight the importance of test series. So test series is very important, right? Some people who are not able to get very good rank, uh, who were capable of doing so, but were not able to get very good rank, it is because they didn't took test series seriously, right? See, the motive of test series is not to score more and more marks, maximum marks, that I should score 70, I should score 60. No, that is not the case. So what is the point of test series then? Okay, I'll tell you. See, when you are suppose you are sitting in the exam hall, and in the first 2 hours, GATE exam is of 3 hours, right? So in the first 2 hours, suppose you are able to do only 30 questions. Now you'll feel demotivated, right? If you haven't done test series. But if the point of test series is to face every kind of situation, right? So if you are sitting in the exam hall and you have done only 30 questions in first 2 hours, then it will immediately come to your mind that yes, in test series this happened once, right? And I was able to recover from that situation and score decent marks, so I can do that here too, right? So this is the point of test series, and I would recommend every one of you to give test series religiously. Thank you.